Daka jingthmu ban Kyntiew ki health sub center ki badon hari Bhoi district shaka kerdan jo ki jaka ai jing sumar ki ba paka ba janai ki ba pang ki ba shitom ki khnarit bat khlung khamtam ki longkumi ki ba kha ba pun ba roshis namnenter bat ki ba lait naka jing penthut ki bor maryang hakapor slam por leer ki bor ba penyat yakane ka district ki la soy ka memorandum of understanding bat ka Selco Solar Light Private Limited ban penbyang ding electric haki health sub center ki ba haki nong kendong ka Selco kan te bat penbyang boarding solar ki pratali ki health sub center ki ba hanong kendong hathem ri Bhoi lasngot ho bakani ka Selco kan te hado lai spa tali ki health sub center ban sedang nari Bhoi district Lasoya kani ka MOU hapring Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi Arpit Upadhyay bat ka Huda Jaffer Director Selco Foundation ha ka jingdon lang uba M Tongper ADC District Medical and Health Officer Dr. P Karnari ka Additional DMHO Dr. B Bla bat kinong ikmat nakiri Sierra Leone Ethiopia pat Burkina Faso
Selco has the great mission to solar power with energy efficiency and sustainable built environment for about 25 health centers in India by 2026. In this direction, we have been working with Government of Meghalaya for the last 2 to 3 years, and we have solar powered in partnership with the Government of Meghalaya about 186 health centers, and Bhoi becomes one district where all the health centers have been solar powered with energy efficient equipments. And now today we signed an MOU with the district administration of Bhoi to design and construct about 8 delivery rooms. And in addition to that, we also have a partnership with the NHM at state level to build about 74 health centers in Meghalaya, which are climate resilient. So by 2023, we are aiming to, along with the partnership of government, invested by the government, to solar power all the health centers of Meghalaya. Thank you.
So I'm very happy to announce that today we have signed one MOU with Selco Foundation. The MOU is regarding creating new maternal homes, maternal wards in our sub-centers. So these are the areas which are quite remote and the condition in which the sub-centers condition is quite bad. So now after this MOU, Selco has already made designs which are climate resilient, inclusive designs for a good maternity ward. And after that we hope that it will definitely going to improve the health indicators and going to improve our institutional delivery in Bhoi district. So this is in line with the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog, and we are quite happy to have Selco Foundation with as a partner in us in our development and for the development of the Bhoi district.
The maternal and labour room has been proposed as part of strengthening the health infrastructure in Bhoi, Meghalaya. These models will serve as an extension to 8 existing health sub-centers in the district and cater to maternal and newborn health care. 2 models have been developed, both of which employ locally available materials including bamboo, timber, stone and other materials that provide thermal insulation. The units are also designed for universal accessibility, making the spaces more inclusive. Type A. This model houses 3 main spaces: a waiting area that is well lit and naturally ventilated with adequate seating arrangement for bystanders and visitors, a recovery room with 2 beds for mothers and their caretakers to rest, a baby warmer and a workspace for the ANMs. Thirdly, the maternal and labour room is designed to provide adequate space for institutional deliveries to take place, supported by energy efficient equipment. An accessible toilet as well as a bathing space is provided for mothers post-delivery. The interiors are designed to amplify natural ventilation and sunlight, also ensuring hygienic environments which are critical for faster recovery of mothers. Type A design will be implemented in the existing health sub-centers at Umshekin and Umroy villages. Type B. A semi-open waiting area with ample natural lighting and ventilation serves as the entry to the maternal and labour room. The model looks at providing comfortable spaces for institutional deliveries with access to toilets and bathing areas for expecting mothers. Both Both these models have been designed keeping in mind principles of sustainability, climate resilience, disaster resilience, and universal accessibility. It is curated to improve the comfort of mothers, increase productivity of medical staff, as well as reduce operational costs of the sub-center. These models employ energy-efficient medical appliances for provision of uninterrupted maternal health care. Type B design will be implemented in existing health sub-centers at Kyntiew, Pisso, Tadrang, Sonidan, Umlapur, and Kinjoy Umran villages.